We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey, it's Jordan over at Onyx, and today we're going to show you how to perform a printhead cleaning on an HP Officejet Pro 8600. So what you're going to do is press this right arrow here on the screen, then it's going to show you setup. Click that, go down to the bottom, there's tools, then just click clean printhead. It's easy just like that. It'll take you a couple minutes. That should get anything cleaned up. If you're seeing blank spots or anything like that on your page, that should get it fixed up. If you're experiencing any other issues, you can always give us a call. Otherwise, you guys have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.